So I have left Crossroads. Kind of sad to leave. That's the most time I've ever spent at a hostel. Was there for 4 days, nursing my foot, and got extra bandages in case it possibly reopens, but it looked good enough to go. And ironically, my knee has been giving me more havoc still than my foot, so keep a close eye on that and just take it easy back on trail here and see how this goes, see how everything healed. Sucks to have to take time off you're not planning to, but you know, you gotta take care of yourself. So, but I'm back, and that was really fun. Kelly Fish, the owner of Crossroads, was a complete doll. Absolutely loved her, and had so much fun learning to sail and everything. She made it really fun. So it wasn't time wasted, that's for sure. Anyway, let's see what today holds. The majority of this day, I believe, is uphill. So yeah, we'll see how far I can get with this foot and this knee. I'm just going to take it slow and easy and feel it out today and ease back into everything. So that's quite a few days off. Some wild animal thought this would be fun to play with. I can't imagine it had something delicious to eat inside. So some good news. I met a sob over just a second ago that's heading into town and is going to take that blue jug in so it can get thrown away so we don't have a whole bunch of trash out here. That's one thing I appreciate a lot about the community of thru-hikers. For the most part, everybody's really good about leaving no trace and picking up trash they've seen or found. So, helping keep it clean. It's a good thing. Have you ever seen this? A wheelchair accessible trail. How cool is that? I didn't even know that was a thing. Look at this. This is badass. Seriously. What a great idea. It's probably a lot of work to maintain, but who'd have known? I think that is so neat. Right on. So that wheelchair accessible trail went the other direction, but it looks like they've groomed this portion of the PCT also for wheelchairs, which is really interesting. I want to see how far this goes like this. Oh, maybe it loops around. Yeah, here goes the trail up this way. But that is pretty neat. This looks like a decent trail too, and you're out here. So hey folks, if you're in a wheelchair and you don't think you can come do part of the PCT, look at that. You can. That's pretty cool. Who'd have known? Hey folks, so this is one of my favorite pieces of gear that I acquired while on the Appalachian Trail. Pretty sure I have it on backwards right now. But this hat has helped me keep my sanity with gnats and mosquitoes and flies. And so it's a great tool out here in the sticks, woods. It's very fashionable, as you can tell, but the bugs can't get me, at least my face. This thing is awesome. And obviously I was in a hurry putting it on, so that's why it's backwards, but yeah, it works. Alright, Castle Craig's Wilderness, here we come. Game on! Look how beautiful this is. Beautiful little valley. foot's feeling pretty good. So that's good. And my knee's actually alright too. Feeling alright for the moment. Quite a view I'm getting. So there's the trail. I found a little bit of shade here under some beautiful pine trees, and enjoying this epic view while I eat an apple. Pretty cool. So calm up here. Really loving it. Kind of just a little pile of rocks I'm sitting on here. Looking out. Sounds like there's a waterfall down there somewhere. But I'm going up. Pretty sure I'm going up to the top over there. Surrounded by beauty. Sitting here having a break. These grasshoppers are loud. So besides an awesome view, look at these little nuts growing on the bushes. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Like, don't nuts usually grow on trees? Kind of neat. Looks like one fell off there. Yeah, I have no idea what those are. Anyone? Anyone with a little insight? Are they edible? Definitely cool looking, but no idea what they are. And they like the higher altitude, obviously. But yeah, all these bushes have them. Interesting. I think I'm going up to right along there on that side here soon. So, just making my way. This is pretty cool. Well, I was on that mountain. I ate my apple like right there. And then walked all across over around this way somewhere. And I'm on this side now. I think you can see the trail zigzag right there. But it zigzagged all over that thing and the backside of it. And now I'm on this mountain. And look, there's Shasta. Pretty amazing. Can see the trail over there. So the spot I would like to camp, oh look, see the trail right there too, is somewhere nearby. And I hear this campsite, oh it's right there, look where I'm camping guys. Yeah. That view. Oh, this is amazing. Which one should I pick? The one on the left or the right? Decisions. Oh, there's a couple here. I think this one on the left is going to fit my tent best. This guy right here. All right, home for the night, and this will be my backyard. Amazing. Decided to cowboy camp tonight because this is just such a cool view. And it's good weather projected, so why not? All right, moment of truth. Let's see how my foot looks after the first day back on trail with it. Oh, my bandaging did pretty good. Hey, look at that. Looks pretty good. Right on. That's just tape and everything. Nice. All right. Looks like we're back in business, boys and girls. Oh, time for dinner. I'm starving. It's an amazing view. I'm just going to lay here for a minute. Take it in. You know what? Actually, I'll take it in all night. Look at that water. Way in the distance there, you see that? I wonder if that's Whitney. I don't know. And here, the beautiful Shasta. Look at that. It's a pretty cool spot to be camping for the night. No complaints. Looking out at the horizon here, you know it's kind of interesting. What is this white line right here? It fades away at either end. It's kind of interesting. And right in the center of it is that mountain. But I don't know which one it is. I've been watching all the different shapes in the clouds. Seeing all kinds of stuff, like ink blot reading. It's really entertaining. And then looking at Shasta and seeing where like the tree line like stops. Pretty amazing. Could you imagine if that sucker erupted right now? Whew. We'd have a good seat / bad seat. And this guy is pretty cool. It's got a lot of detail on it. You can have a really good sunset. And then tomorrow morning, I'm pretty sure that's the east, so probably have a pretty cool sunrise in the morning as well.
We hiked with another dude for a few days, and then he detoured because he